The government has set up a command post at Jambini Primary School to coordinate the search and rescue efforts. The Ministry of Transport's Air Accident Investigation Department and KCA are working together with Kenya Wildlife Service, the Kenya Air Force, Kenya Police, Kenya Forest Service, and other state organs to coordinate the search.
It was destined for Wilson Airport, and it was decided at some point to divert to Jomo Kenyatta, and we suspect that was because of the weather at the time.
Attempts are being made to track the phones of those on board, while also deploying essential satellite facilities. The ground search by the mountain rescue team will continue, even as we sit in here. The government would like to urge the public to remain calm and not to speculate on the possible causes of the disappearance of the aircrafts.